Today I am reviewing this 11-piece spiral type deep extractor set. There's some really nice features on this. They sent this to me to review and I appreciate that. You can see it comes with this 11-piece set. Nice hard plastic molded case, which is of course also lockable. Great to have with these specialty tools. You kind of stack them. You don't use them every day, but when you need them, they're good. You can look at the detail on these bits right here. Look at that. So if a bolt head is rounded off, this will bite into it and help extract it. It's also nice that these are with a nice deep socket so it can get more of the bolt on it. You can really see it there in this extra one. It also comes with this extractor bar because sometimes these get molded to the bolt, so you simply take this bar, put it through the socket and pound it right out. So you don't end up ruining one of your 1/4-inch extensions. Comes with also a 3/8 to 1/4-inch drive adapter. Comes with these will work for metric or SAE, all the way from a 1/4-inch up to 3/4-inch. One of those things really good to have. They have a nice weight to them. I like that they also have this end that you could just put a wrench on them. So, you know, sometimes it's in a hard place, like an exhaust manifold. These would be great for that. It's, you know, kind of hard to get a ratchet on there, but getting a wrench on there gives you a little bit of extra space in those tight places. Like on this, these are the exhaust manifold bolts always are tough to get off on this. So if I ever have to do an exhaust manifold gasket, I hope I don't want to. I hope I won't have to use these, but if I do, it's a good tool to have. They're Look at all that metal on them. They're nice and thick, really good weight to them, high quality, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.